tell on something. Now something where I never tell anybody before. If nobody say I like on myself, I for no talk. I be disabled. Even myself, I be no. Now somebody tell me. When he tell me now, I can't see reasons with them. Because when I look myself, I can't say normal human beings where God create. Their face, then they like my own. My own, they give me bad luck. Like see the time where they call me. Even people they sell small shops don't go out. They say, man, I can't talk. The church where I mean they attend, the pastor say, man, they come again. He say God made they happy with me. And the church, nobody even say na better church. Na church where for my mind, I mean they manage the church. Because he dey near my house, so I need to pay transport. I don't know say na then they tolerate me since. I even joined workers committee for the church, but then they use me to better work. The only time where they work for the church now when pastor go they call me come altar, come carry me they give example of devil. Wait, person they talk serious thing and they laugh. And waiting they even they talk for example. Go just tell me one time now you are the devil. One day into altar call, say if you want to give your life to Christ, come out. Now I can't go out too. They tell me say make I go back. I can't ask and say why they say ma go back. He say no be every life God want. Can't they even tell me say God done already they use me. I can't ask and say waiting God they carry me do. He say God they use me they let people know say the devil they real. Wait so again one time now he can't stop me. One time like that. He can't stop me, say man, they follow them, they take Holy Communion again. So I can't go ask and say why no agree man they take Holy Communion again. He say no like the way why they chop the bread. He say wait he say they chop I'm like say they sweet me say Jesus die. Wait, I need to like when they talk. Wait, they tell me say the only way they go allow me they take Holy Communion for the church now. If I go agree, make then they do and take away from me. Now they go eat for my house. Because of that now I can't vex, can't come up for the church. I can't say myself I go become pastor. So I can't go one pastor school and then they tell me for there say they no go train me. I can't ask them say why. And they say, you know, be say they no go fit train me. Oh. Say, but they no go fit fight evil with evil. So say, make I live.
Amen.
Not too much, man. Let me leave it here.